Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, we talk about all things jewelry, handmade stuff, and how to run a small business and make it your full-time job. So if you have not made it to my channel yet, or if you don't know who I am, my name is Serena and I own a small handmade jewelry business called Ruby to Blue, where I sell all my jewelry online. And as well, I am self-taught, so I've been doing this for about 6 years now, so I have a lot of knowledge in my brain that I'm ready to share with you guys. So let's get to it. Are you ready? Oh my god, that was close. Okay, so we are going to start by talking about the basic tools and detailed tools that you need to get into it and to start making some super cute earring hooks. The wire that we use is 20 gauge gold plated round wire, jewelry making bail pliers, your simple round nose pliers and some cutters, and one of my personal favorite tools, the Beadsmith Round Your Wire tool. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your wire and kind of smooth it out. Then take your bail pliers and you're going to wrap the wire around the larger circle side, which is going to be your right side. And then after you're done with that, I'm going to cut about 1 inch away from the body of the earring hook. And just make sure to cut away from you so that you're safe. And then the next step is I'm going to take my round nose plier and I'm going to just make a little circle loop at the bottom, and this is where your earring hook is going to connect to your hoop or whatever earring piece you're working with. Okay, so the next step is kind of like the detail step. So you take the smaller side of the bail pliers and I'm going to simply just wrap the little end piece upwards, creating this cute little curve in the earring hook. You're going to notice that the shape is a little wonky. So our next step is we're going to take the bigger side and we're going to wrap it around that side like so, creating just a nice little wave, and she is looking cute. Okay, this last little step is my favorite. I cannot believe I didn't discover this tool until 5 years after making jewelry, and it has changed my life. You simply just put the end of the wire hook into the tool and you just twirl the tool around and it sands it and makes it perfect. Last step is you're just going to open it up and put it on your earring piece and you're done. You did it. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that it was easy for you guys to follow along. I don't have a tripod for my camera quite yet, so I had to get kind of tricky with it, but I just ordered one, so it'll be coming in the mail tomorrow. So next week, our next jewelry tutorial will be a little bit more seamless, and also hopefully there won't be a tree cutter dude outside making all this noise. But anyways, thanks for coming on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see more things, make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell alert button so that you are notified on my next video so you can stay in the loop. And yeah, all of the tools and everything needed to make the earring hook is listed in my bio. You can find it all in my little Amazon shop. I keep it easy for you. And yeah, make sure to follow me at Ruby to Blue. Check out my website, and thank you guys for following. See you later.